Okay guys, welcome back again for another tutorial. So let's first create a new composition. 1980 T by 1020. Then pre-compose the pictures or video that you're going to use. Create another composition and then drop the first video there. Drop your grunge overlay. So we are going to use the turbulent displacement effect or the turbulent displace. Then when you're going to animate it on the keyframe, always use easy ease. Then highlight both of them, both of the keyframes, then go to the graph and adjust it. After that, just repeat the steps. Okay, adjust the settings according to your liking, or you can just follow my setup over here. Then animate it again. After doing all the brush strokes, duplicate them and arrange them accordingly, or just cover up the whole screen. Just duplicate and cover it. Then displace the brush strokes. Just move it a bit on the side or on the right. So displace the composition a few seconds apart or a few frames apart. Duplicate the matte composition. So set the fill to white and set the stroke to 0. So animate the position according to your liking. Always easy ease and adjust the speed graph. Okay, drop the first matte composition, the second one, and the second one set it to alpha. So it has to be above the video. So set it to alpha so that it would look like that. So the tint image or video should be at the bottom part. So let's assemble them. So at the very top layer is the Grunge overlay. Set it to overlay or soft light. Then put the brush on the top and the scene one at the bottom. Then set it to alpha inverted. Then it should look like that. Okay, duplicate the first scene and just replace the video or image with anything that you like and just repeat the steps. That's all. See over there, I just changed the video. Then same step. And this time I try to animate it with the opacity. Always easy ease. Okay. So again, we're gonna put the second scene and move it a few seconds, probably around 8. Then repeat the steps. Put the brush on the top and set it to alpha inverted. There, we have our second scene. So no need for transition because we have the brush looking like a transition over here. So feel free to experiment with white effects with suit your video. So let's set this soft light. Okay, so just duplicate the second scene and repeat the steps. And feel free to play with the settings. Change it to your liking. You can even displace the scale if you want, or adjust the scale so that it would look displaced. And that's it. And we're going to create a text. So make a new composition, name it text 01. So okay, then animate it to your liking. You can follow what I do or what I did, or animate it to what you want. So I use the font Gloss and Bloom. So put a blur and tracking type, adjusted it, and that's it. Okay, so duplicate the first text. So and then change it to anything that you want, any text type or title, anything. So I'm going to change my first text. So create mask from text. So I'm gonna do some in some stroke effect. Go a few seconds, put a keyframe on the end, then go back to the first frame and set it to 0. Put a tick on all masks, and that's it. Set the text to silhouette alpha, and it should look like that. So the same thing with the other text composition. Set it to silhouette alpha or luma, and it should look like that. And that's it. Feel free to animate it to anything that you want. Okay guys, thank you for watching again. Thank you, and God bless. If you like the video, please click like button and also the subscribe, and leave a comment also if you have any questions. Thank you.